The hands and legs are the most used body parts as we go through our daily activities. If they become weak or start tingling, it may be time to check your diet. The good news is that there are many foods that can improve nerve function. And today we will share with you 8 collagen-rich vegetables that will make your hands stronger and get rid of the tingling sensation on your legs. Before we begin, click the subscribe button so you won't miss out on future videos. Let's get started. 1. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, which has been shown to help build collagen. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that eating just 1 raw bell pepper every day was enough to raise plasma levels of hydroxide, a compound found only in collagen. Moreover, bell peppers contain a lot of antioxidants and nutrients that support overall health and well-being. They also contain vitamin A and E, which can both improve skin health and reduce signs of aging. Vitamin A plays an important role in maintaining healthy skin cells, and vitamin E acts as a powerful moisturizer. Together, these vitamins work to keep the skin looking youthful and smooth. But that's not all. Bell peppers also contain a pigment called capsaicin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that have been linked to improved brain health and reduced risk of cognitive decline, according to research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. Capsaicin was found to be effective at inhibiting enzymes responsible for breaking down collagen and elastin fibers in the brain, leading to improved brain function and structure. 2. Spinach. Spinach is one of the best sources of chlorophyll, which has been shown to help boost collagen production. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that gives plants their color and is known for its detoxifying properties. It helps to remove toxins from the body while improving circulation and oxygen. This means that chlorophyll can improve the appearance of skin and hair by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy cell growth. In addition, spinach is packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins C, K, and folate, all of which play a vital role in maintaining healthy skin and hair. For example, vitamin A is essential for skin turnover and wound healing, while vitamin C is necessary for collagen production. Folate, on the other hand, helps to prevent hair loss and breakage. All of these nutrients work together to keep the skin looking youthful and a hair strong and lustrous. One way to incorporate more spinach into your diet is to add it to smoothies. Simply blend a handful of spinach with your favorite fruits and vegetables and drink up. You can also use spinach as a base for salads, or use it as an ingredient in soups and stews. With its mild flavor and soft texture, spinach is a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes, so why not give it a try? You may be surprised at how much you'll love it. 3. Artichokes. Artichokes are a type of thistle plant whose immature flower buds are often eaten as a vegetable. They have a unique flavor and chewy texture that makes them a great addition to any meal. But artichokes are more than just delicious. They are also a good source of collagen-boosting nutrients. Artichokes are rich in several B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin. These vitamins are essential for maintaining healthy skin and reducing the signs of aging. In addition, artichokes contain a variety of minerals, including iron, magnesium, and zinc, which are all important for overall health and well-being. Iron, for example, is essential for red blood cell production, while magnesium is necessary for energy production. Zinc, on the other hand, plays a vital role in wound healing and immune function. To enjoy the benefits of artichokes, you can steam, grill, or roast them and serve them as a side dish. You can also stuff them with your favorite ingredients and bake them in the oven. Artichoke hearts are also a popular addition to salads and soups. So get creative and try incorporating artichokes into your diet today. Number 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are not only a delicious addition to any meal, but they are also a great source of collagen-boosting nutrients. They contain lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to help increase collagen production and reduce the signs of aging. Lycopene is a carotenoid, which is a pigment that gives fruits and vegetables their red color. It is particularly abundant in tomatoes and other tomato-based products, such as tomato sauce and paste. In addition to increasing collagen production, lycopene has been shown to have a variety of other health benefits, including reducing the risk of certain types of cancer and improving heart health. It is also important to note that the body cannot produce lycopene on its own, so it must be obtained through diet or supplements. Fortunately, tomatoes are a readily available and affordable source of lycopene. When cooking with tomatoes, it is best to cook them in a little oil or fat, as this can help the body absorb lycopene better. Some easy ways to add tomatoes to your diet are to add them to salads, make tomato-based soups or stews, or simply eat them as a snack. No. 5. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with collagen-boosting nutrients. It is a cruciferous vegetable, which means that it belongs to the same family as broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. Kale is a great source of vitamins A, C, and K, all of which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and preventing the signs of aging. Vitamin A is important for skin turnover and wound healing, while vitamin C is necessary for collagen production. Vitamin K, on the other hand, helps to reduce inflammation and promote healthy blood flow to the skin. In addition to these vitamins, kale also contains a variety of minerals, including calcium, potassium, and manganese, all of which are important for overall health and well-being. Calcium, for example, is essential for strong bones and teeth, while potassium is necessary for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Manganese, on the other hand, plays a vital role in metabolism and wound healing. Kale is a very versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes. It can be eaten raw in salads or cooked in soups and stews. It can also be used to make kale chips, which are a healthy and delicious snack. Number 6. Carrots. Carrots are a root vegetable that is high in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which has been shown to help improve collagen production and reduce the signs of aging. Beta-carotene is a pigment that gives carrots their orange color and is one of the most potent antioxidants available. In addition to increasing collagen production, beta-carotene has been shown to have a variety of other health benefits, including reducing the risk of certain types of cancer and improving eye health. Carrots are also a good source of fiber, which is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting weight loss. They are also low in calories, making them an ideal snack for those watching their weight. Carrots can be eaten raw, cooked, or juiced. They can also be added to salads, soups, and stews. Carrot juice is also a popular way to get your daily dose of beta-carotene. So why not give carrots a try? You may be surprised at how much you'll love them. No. 7. Cucumber. Cucumbers are a refreshing and hydrating vegetable that are packed with collagen-boosting nutrients. They are a good source of silica, a mineral that has been shown to help strengthen the connective tissues in the body, including the skin and joints. Silica is important for maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails. It also helps to improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. In addition to silica, cucumbers also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. Vitamin C is necessary for collagen production and wound healing, while potassium is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Magnesium, on the other hand, plays a vital role in energy production and muscle function. Cucumbers are a versatile vegetable that can be eaten raw in salads or as a snack. They can also be used to make healthy and refreshing drinks. Cucumber water, for example, is a popular summer beverage that is made by slicing cucumbers and adding them to water. This is a great way to stay hydrated and get your daily dose of silica and other nutrients. No. 8. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is packed with collagen-boosting nutrients. It is a good source of vitamin C, which is important for maintaining healthy skin and preventing the signs of aging. Vitamin C is also necessary for wound healing and immune function. In addition to vitamin C, broccoli also contains a variety of other vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, folate, and potassium. Vitamin K is important for maintaining healthy bones and preventing osteoporosis, while folate is necessary for cell growth and division. Potassium, on the other hand, plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Broccoli is a very versatile vegetable that can be cooked or eaten raw. It can be steamed, roasted, or grilled and served as a side dish, or added to salads, or stir-fries. Broccoli florets can also be chopped and mixed with other vegetables to make a delicious and nutritious slaw. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Stay healthy.